The popularity of hunting and outdoor sports has created a growing demand for reliable ladder stands. Hunters, both novices and experts, need elevated positions for better visibility, safety, and comfort during long hours in the field. This guide evaluates ladder stands based on stability, build quality.
List number 1. Big Game Tripod Stand, One-Person Deer. The Big Game Tripod Stand is a compact and sturdy ladder stand designed for solo hunters seeking mobility and reliability. Its tripod design provides excellent stability even on uneven terrain, making it versatile for a variety of hunting locations. Constructed with durable steel tubing and weather-resistant coatings, this stand is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions while supporting a single hunter comfortably. Setup is straightforward, requiring minimal tools, and the lightweight design allows for easy transport to remote hunting spots. The stand includes a spacious platform and comfortable seat, giving hunters a stable and ergonomic position during extended hunts. Its elevated design provides an excellent vantage point for spotting deer and other game. Safety features such as non-slip steps and a secure seat attachment enhance confidence while climbing and sitting. Although designed for one person, the Big Game Tripod Stand provides reliable performance and durability. It is ideal for hunters looking for a portable, dependable, and affordable ladder stand option that doesn't compromise on safety or comfort.
List number 2. Guide Gear 16.5-foot 2-man ladder tree stand. The Guide Gear 16.5-foot 2-man ladder tree stand is designed for hunters who prefer to share elevated positions or require additional space for gear. This ladder stand offers 16.5 feet of height, providing excellent visibility and range while hunting. Its dual-person platform is reinforced with heavy-duty steel to ensure stability and support for 2 adults safely. Comfort is a priority with a spacious platform and cushioned seats, reducing fatigue during long hunts. The ladder includes wide, non-slip steps for safe and easy ascent. Durable powder-coated steel and weather-resistant materials enhance longevity and resistance to outdoor elements. The Guide Gear ladder stand is relatively easy to assemble and comes with a safety harness attachment point for added security. Its size and dual occupancy capability make it suitable for family hunting trips or situations where additional gear needs to be carried up the ladder. Overall, this stand balances comfort, stability, and value for hunters seeking a reliable 2-person elevated hunting solution.
List number 3. Muddy One-Person Huntsman Deluxe Steel Ladder Tree Stand. The Muddy One-Person Huntsman Deluxe Ladder Stand is engineered for hunters who demand high performance, safety, and comfort. With its all-steel construction, the stand provides exceptional stability and durability, supporting up to 300 pounds securely. The ladder rungs feature a non-slip design, ensuring safe climbs even in wet or icy conditions. The stand includes a flip-up padded seat and large platform, providing ergonomic comfort during long hunting sessions. Its compact footprint allows placement in tighter spaces, making it versatile for different terrain types. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions, and the stand can be easily attached to a tree using the adjustable straps provided. Weather resistance and corrosion-resistant coating ensure long-term use, even under harsh outdoor conditions. Hunters appreciate the quiet operation, as metal components are designed to reduce noise during setup and use. Overall, the Muddy One-Person Huntsman Deluxe delivers reliability, safety, and comfort for serious hunters seeking a premium ladder stand.
List number 4. Trophy Tree Stands TL102 Hornet Single-Person Ladder Stand. The Trophy Tree Stands TL102 Hornet is a lightweight, single-person ladder stand ideal for hunters needing a portable yet durable solution. Constructed from high-strength steel, this stand provides excellent stability without excessive weight, making transportation and setup easier. Its 16-foot platform offers a safe vantage point for scouting and hunting. The TL102 features a flip-back seat and non-slip ladder rungs for comfort and safety. Weather-resistant finishes protect the steel frame from rust and corrosion, extending the stand's life. Hunters appreciate the quiet operation and compact design, which allows for stealthy placement in various environments. While it's built for a single person, the Trophy TL102 provides ample space for gear and personal comfort. Its combination of lightweight portability, solid construction, and easy assembly makes it an ideal choice for hunters seeking convenience without compromising safety or stability.
List number 5. Big Game Striker XL Ladder Tree Stand, 17.5 foot tall with flip-back seat. The Big Game Striker XL is a premium 17.5 foot ladder tree stand designed for hunters requiring extra height and comfort. Its steel frame construction ensures superior durability and stability, supporting hunters securely while offering a clear view of the surrounding area. The extra-tall ladder provides improved sightlines for spotting game from a distance. The stand includes a spacious platform with a flip-back padded seat allowing for ergonomic comfort during long waits. Wide, non-slip ladder steps enhance safety while climbing, and the powder-coated steel finish protects against corrosion and weathering. Setup is user-friendly, and the stand is compatible with safety harnesses to ensure secure use. While larger and slightly heavier than other models, the Striker XL's design prioritizes stability, comfort, and long-term durability. It is ideal for serious hunters seeking a high-quality, elevated hunting solution that combines visibility, safety, and comfort in one robust package.